So let's take a look at the Ynab pros and cons. I kid you not, I had to look up how you pronounce this correct way, so I just don't mess stuff up. Here we go, pros and cons. Here we have pros, and on the right we have cons. Let's go over it. Now, pros offers a free 34-day trial. That's actually so generous. It's amazing, and I really recommend you check this out. Now, apps available for tablets, phones, and smartwatches and Alexa devices is also a thing for Ynab. Connects with your bank and credit cards automatically and detects transactions, which is good. It allows 6 people per account. And also handy visuals and reports, which is actually quite good. You should Google it. Now, the cons, it requires regular hands-on management, which quite could be intimidating for people who are not tech savvy. I mean, not even tech savvy, but for example, older people who don't really use phones that much. Priced higher than many budgeting apps, which is definitely a thing, but since you get a generous free trial, you get a lot of time to test it and see whether you like it or not. Now, we also have it uses zero-based budgeting method and no bill negotiation, subscription cancellation, or investment tracking as other apps offer. Now, subscription cancellation is a thing, but I mean, it's really up to you to decide after we have listed all of the pros and cons in front of you. So basically, choose what's best for you based on the facts we have stated in this video.